Hi, my name is Brian Luke Seward, and I'd like to invite you to join me in a special online holistic stress management workshop. We have 4 sessions, 2 hours each, and what makes this one real special is that everyone who attends this workshop is invited to have a personal 1-hour one-on-one session with me as well, a video session. So we get a chance to know each other, and you can ask me questions privately and also maybe get a little bit of consulting or mentoring if you like. Topics in this workshop include, well, let me just first say, there's a lot of stress going on in the world right now, so you've picked a really good workshop to attend. And because of all the problems with stress, we're going to address the topics of resiliency, digital toxicity, getting a good night's sleep, even aspects of nutrition, the microbiome, healthy boundaries, which is very, very important, and a number of aspects about how to effectively cope and relax with stress in terms of holistic stress management. We take a mind, body, spirit approach, which is really different than a lot of other people who teach stress management. So this is a great way to learn how to teach these aspects, these topics, these techniques. This is not a stress management workshop. This is how to teach a stress management workshop, the nuts and bolts of the most important aspects of this. So please join me in April for some really great quality programming. Thanks so much.